Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rima, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make chicken soup. I pretty much made a batch over the Christmas dinner yesterday. I'm going to show you my little techniques. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give this video a big thumbs up. So right now I'm just quickly cleaning the insides of the pumpkin. It's super tough and hard to cut, so the best thing I always do is try to pre-boil it first, then peel, and that way it's a little bit softer. So this is pretty much where I'm gonna have it pre-boiled for a little bit so I can soften it up, and then I could take the skin off the back of the pumpkin. Now I'm gonna be making boiled dumpling. Just add a little bit of flour. Right now I'm just eyeballing just how much I want to make. A little bit of water here. Already add salt. Now don't laugh at me. I don't like getting flour in my nails, so I just pretty much always need it in gloves. Don't laugh at me, don't judge me. So now I'm gonna cut up my ingredients to put in the pot of soup. I pretty much just add a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pot, and then I just kind of have the scallion, which I'm cutting up now, and saute that with a little bit of carrots, thyme, pepper, as you'll see. So now you can see the soup looking really good. I added my chicken, I added the carrots, the seasoning, and the pumpkin is in there also. Gonna add a little bit of corn, and voila. It usually takes me about, I would say, 20 minutes tops to really have everything boiled down and simmer down and tasting good. And pretty much that's it for a cook with me, and I must say it came out really good. I'm proud. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
As usual, what else is new?